Melly Starz. So as I said in a previous video, I'm going to be doing the advent calendar for Harry Potter, and I'm going to record myself every day, but I'm going to only post it like weekly, so it's not like an influx of videos. So yeah, so I've already done 3 days. This is day 3. I just hadn't had a chance to like record an intro, so if it looks kind of funny, that's why. Okay, so let's do day 1. Where is day 1? One. All right, let me just pop it out and then see what it is. Oh, it's Harry Potter! Oh, so that is day 1. Let's see what is in day 2. Long ass nails. Oh. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that is adorable. That is super cute. So that is day 2. Oh. All right, day 3. Let's see what happens. See what we get. Okay, I'm not exactly 100% sure who that is. Let me open this. Huh. That's who we got today. My memory is failing me on this, but yeah. All right, let's see what is happening in day 4. It's my birthday. Let's see what's happening for my birthday. Oh, interesting. We are not getting like all of the bigger characters right away. We're getting a little bit of a mix. Interesting. All right, so day 5. Here we go. Let's see what's happening on day 5. Jesus. Oops, I'm gonna break this whole thing. We got McGonagall. Oh my god, how pretty. Oh, this is fucking cute. This is nice. That is super nice. Oh, that's exciting. Well, until tomorrow, let's see what we get tomorrow. All right, so today is December 6th. We complete row 1 today. Woo woo. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's Snape. Shut the front door. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is fucking beautiful. Holy shit. Wow. Love it.
You might try to get the perfect place.
So that is week 1 done and complete. We got some good stuff. Some main characters, some not so main characters. Like the Fleur one totally like caught me off guard, but that's fine. If you want to stay up to date on all of the advent calendar stuff for Harry Potter, follow me on all social media at Melly Starz, and then check out my website, www.mellystars.com. Comment below if you guys are doing the advent calendar too. Are you guys getting the same characters as me, or are you guys getting something different? So yeah, until next week, bye.